Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that caught our eye recently, the EUHOMY 12V car refrigerator and gas stove combo. We've provided a link in the description below, where you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The EUHOMY 12V car refrigerator is a versatile 47-quart, or 45-liter, cooler that can serve as both a refrigerator and freezer. It's designed specifically for those who spend a lot of time on the road or in the great outdoors. Alongside the fridge, this combo includes a portable gas stove, the Gas 1GS 3400P, capable of running on propane or butane. Together, these two items make an excellent pair for camping trips, RV adventures, or even tailgate parties. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this product. First off, the EUHOMY refrigerator has a powerful cooling system that can reach temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for keeping your food and drinks cold, regardless of the weather outside. It also has a user-friendly digital display, which allows you to easily monitor and adjust the temperature settings. Another great feature is its dual-zone design, meaning you can keep some items frozen while others stay chilled. The gas stove, on the other hand, is a dual-fuel stove, which means you have the flexibility to use either propane or butane. This portability makes it extremely convenient for cooking anywhere. It operates with a piezo ignition system, ensuring that you can get it started quickly and easily without the need for matches or lighters. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're an avid camper, road trip enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys outdoor activities, this combo is a game changer. It's also ideal for van lifers or those who travel in RVs, as it provides essential refrigeration and cooking capabilities without depending solely on electricity. Let's delve into some practical use cases. Imagine you're heading out for a weekend camping trip with friends. You can load up the EUHOMY fridge with your favorite snacks, drinks, and perishable items before you leave. Once you arrive at your campsite, the gas stove allows you to whip up a hot meal without hassle. Or perhaps you're tailgating at a big game, the combination of a cold drink and a warm meal can elevate the entire experience. In summary, the EUHOMY 12V car refrigerator and gas stove combo is a fantastic addition to anyone's outdoor gear. With its efficient cooling capabilities and portable cooking options, it's designed to make your adventures more enjoyable and convenient. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.